Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we'll be exploring the charming town of Pienza, Italy, and sharing our top 7 recommendations on what to see and do. Let's dive into this complete guide and uncover the beauty of Pienza together. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. The tour departs from Florence and heads into the luscious surrounds of Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage listed site since 2004. As you travel to the first destination of the day, feel immersed in the region's breathtaking landscapes, which were a source of inspiration for many Renaissance painters. Arrive at Montalcino, a locally owned family-run winery with an immensely welcoming atmosphere. Settle into the winery as if you were at home and learn everything there is to know about Brunello di Montalcino wine, vineyard techniques, the winemaking process, wine aging, and how to appreciate wine properly. Enjoy a tasting session of the winery's wines and try to pick up the flavors that are unique to this region. After the wine tasting, head to the nearby papal village of Pienza, famous for its delicious pecorino cheese. Here, enjoy a gourmet 3-course lunch in the colorful gardens of a former convent that dates back to the 15th century, April to October only. In winter season, lunch will be served inside at the restaurant. Following lunch, spend some free time exploring the town, wander around its historic center, and visit the famous cheese shops to pick up a tasty souvenir. Continue on to Montepulciano next, the final stop of the tour. Famous worldwide for its Vino Nobile wine, Montepulciano is a quintessential medieval Tuscan village with vast green landscapes marked by rolling hills and castle walls. Follow your guide for a tour of the village's historical cellar, known locally as the Underground City, and then enjoy another wine tasting session along with a sampling of delicious olive oils and other food specialties. At the end of the tasting, there's enough time to visit the main square to take some photos of the breathtaking landscape before returning to Florence. Number 2. Leave Rome's hustle and bustle behind and head to Tuscany for the day. Enjoy a guided town of Montepulciano and eat a delicious 3-course lunch with an Italian wine tasting experience you won't forget. A comfortable, air-conditioned coach will pick you up in Rome. As you drive towards rolling hills, your expert tour guide will explain Tuscany's rich culture and answer any questions you might have about the day ahead. First, enjoy a walking tour of the hill town of Montepulciano. Take in an ancient but still functioning wine cellar and ruins that predate Rome. Next, visit San Biagio, a 16th-century Renaissance church with a travertine facade welcoming in the sunlight and exquisite decorations inside. Just a short drive away awaits a delicious Tuscan lunch. Enjoy a 3-course meal with wine pairings in the wine cellar of an authentic vineyard farmhouse, including the famous Brunello di Montalcino and varieties from the vineyard itself. Buy your souvenir Tuscan wine here, or wait for the final stop, Pienza. Your tour leader will offer insights, but your time is yours. Shopping for pecorino cheese, balsamic vinegar, wines, and other local specialties, finding the right photo opportunity, or simply wandering the streets like a local. Next, return to Rome in air-conditioned comfort, fulfilled, relaxed, and ready for the next day. Number 3. Private experience and light lunch. Welcome to the enchanting scenery of Val d'Orcia, where the ancient beauty of Tuscany seamlessly blends with contemporary architecture. Number 4. Availability and discounts. Before booking, we have other dates available and discount codes for each booking. Contact us before booking. Participant requirements. This is a shared tour. We limit the group to a maximum of 2/3 bookings to ensure comfort for everyone. If you do not feel confident on a bicycle, contact us before booking to avoid inconvenience during the tour. E-bike tour. Explore Cortona on an e-bike, traversing cobbled streets and historic routes, discovering hidden gems and breathtaking views inspired by the movie Under the Tuscan Sun. Riding comfort. Our e-bikes offer powerful assistance, allowing you to enjoy the Tuscan countryside without the physical effort of a traditional bicycle. The tour is 3 hours long, about 12/14 of a kilometer, 9 miles, with a 300 meters, 900 feet, elevation change, which we always adapt based on our guests. This is a short touristic tour. If you're a cyclist that would like to have a longer ride than the usual 8/9 of a mile, Please check out the ride in the Val di Chiana or text us for assistance. Other destinations. Tours also available in the Val di Chiana, towards Montepulciano and in Pienza. Contact ciao@epicbike.it. Number 5. Escape the hustle and bustle of Florence and embark on an exploration of the Tuscan countryside. Travel aboard your comfortable air-conditioned bus through the Tuscan hills and discover the marvelous Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stop at 2 splendid wineries, wander through medieval towns, and sample the typical products of this enchanted place. Meet your tour leader in the heart of Florence and board your comfortable Grand Tour coach. Relax as you journey through the gentle Tuscan hills en route to Montalcino. Here, you'll have the opportunity to taste the world-famous Brunello di Montalcino wine at a small but characteristic local winery. Enjoy your free time exploring Montalcino, climb to the top of the town to admire the splendid pentagonal fortress. From there, you'll have the chance to contemplate the picturesque landscape characteristic of this valley: the gentle hills, ancient oaks, picturesque olive groves, vineyards, and cypress trees. Continue your journey to Pienza, a small but beautiful town situated atop a hill overlooking the Val d'Orcia. Needless to say, the view from Pienza is extraordinary. Get lost in the characteristic alleyways of Pienza and take time to observe the lively shops full of typical local products. The last stop of this wonderful tour will be Montepulciano, home to the famous vineyards of Vino Nobile, and known to many for being the location where a scene from the vampire movie, New Moon, was filmed. Here too, you'll have the opportunity to visit a splendid historic winery. Explore the cellars where the wine is stored beneath the ancient walls of the winery and listen to the stories and techniques of wine preservation. With eyes full of wonder, return to Florence aboard your comfortable bus, always accompanied by your expert tour leader who will be ready to answer any questions and curiosities. Number 6. Travel along one of the most panoramic roads in Tuscany, driving the characteristic moonscape of the Crete Senesi en route to the medieval hamlet of Pienza in the Val d'Orcia Valley. One of the first towns to be entirely planned on paper by important architects and artists of the time, Pienza was commissioned by Pope Pius II, the humanist pope, to help him renovate his native town and bring it to new splendor. A wholesome lunch, based on fresh local ingredients, will be waiting on a beautiful terrace, weather permitting, at a local farm. Continue in the afternoon to Montepulciano, one of Tuscany's largest hill towns. Under the dominance of Siena in the Middle Ages, and Florence during the Renaissance, today it is renowned for its wine. See influences from both towns in the architecture and art of the historic center, located on a steep hill with beautiful views of the Tuscan and Umbrian border. Go to the main Piazza Grande, tour one of the many wineries carved out of the earth below the city, and discover some of the palaces of the noble families that once lived here. Taste the Vino Nobile local wine and continue to explore the palaces, churches, and streets on your own. As you follow the route of the main road downhill, imagine how hard the Bravio della Bodi festival must be. A competition to race wine barrels from the bottom to the top of the hill. Number 7. Meet your guide at a centrally located meeting point in Florence. Hop aboard a comfortable car and be whisked through the Tuscan countryside. Have the option to request stops with this private experience. Take the morning tour and stop to purchase a delicious lunch in Pienza that includes a tasting of local products. Go on the afternoon and treat yourself by purchasing an aperitif in Pienza that includes a tasting of pecorino cheese. The afternoon tour also includes admiring the sunset at the Baccoleno Hotel. Venture into the Val d'Orcia, which is characterized by rolling hills adorned with vibrant green fields, orderly rows of vineyards, and silvery olive groves. Cypress trees punctuate the landscape, standing tall against the horizon. See why this valley has inspired countless artists, poets, and writers, including Leonardo da Vinci. Soak up views of charming medieval villages and towns that seem frozen in time in the Crete Senesi hills. End your tour in Florence at the Renaissance Santa Trinita Bridge with unforgettable memories of the Tuscan countryside. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.